At Skyline, we really pride ourselves on really pushing the industry forward. And that obviously bleeds into innovation and product development. But one thing that we can't control is the human aspect of the ride. And people make mistakes. So we got to thinking, what if we could build a system that prevents mistakes before they even happen? So you might not know it, but some of the most common incidents we see in the zipline industry are actually human error caused, with the most common being online collisions. So that would be one rider coming down and hitting another rider that's already on the line that hasn't been dismounted yet, or just another rider coming in and contacting a trolley that's still left on the cable, or coming in and hitting a braking system that hasn't been reset properly. And all this can be avoided, and it's not a system that's improperly designed or failing, but actually just the guide involved that might just have a lapse in judgment or a lack of attention or just complacency. And whatever that might be, that's something that we can put in redundancies to hopefully eliminate. So we took all this information, we went to as many clients as we could and to as many sites as we could that aren't even our clients, and just wanted to get as much feedback as possible on what they would like to see in a system like this. We wanted it to be compatible with as many existing systems as possible, not just our own. We wanted it to be cost effective and not break the bank. We wanted it to be easy to use, super user friendly, and we wanted it to be easy to install so we don't need to come and do it for you. And we took all of these things and we put it into a package that we think kind of meets all those goals. So we came up with Easy Launch. And the solution is super simple, super smart, and very reliable. What it is basically an added layer of communication between your guides, top and bottom. And all we're doing here is we're making sure that both guides are confirming that the coast is clear, that the launch and landing is both ready to go before the next person is sent down. That runs on power tool batteries. And this way we don't need to install any sort of off-grid power system like solar or having to run any wiring or electrical out to your site. This makes installation super quick, super easy, and very cost effective, seeing as most people already have a bunch of these batteries laying around. So all you need to do to get started is you're gonna clip in your battery, you're gonna flick the key switch on, and then the procedure is gonna start from the launch box. So we're gonna start by hitting the launch ready button. That's gonna send a signal to the landing box. Then they will hold that button. And then once we get this solid light here, we are good to launch. And then the cycle restarts. At any time, if you wanted to stop the cycle, you can just flick the key switch off and that'll restart the whole system. Now it is worth mentioning that this isn't meant to replace radios or any kind of standard operating procedures and communication you guys have. This is simply made to be used as an added layer of safety to be used in conjunction with your radio calls. It is our hope that Easy Launch and products like it can lead our industry to a safer and more user-friendly future. If you have any questions about the Easy Launch or any of our other products, make sure to reach out to us at info@skylineziplines.ca or check us out at our website at www.skylineziplines.ca. Or if you'd prefer, leave us a comment down below and we'll try to get back to you. While you're at it, make sure you like and subscribe if you like these types of videos.